Okay, good morning students. Now we'll go ahead for the next session of chapter 2 polynomial. Here is some more extra examples for you. Now the first is if 6x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 17x square plus 21x plus 7 is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. The remainder comes out to be ax plus b. Find a and b. Here is the polynomial px is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. So remainder is given ax plus b. So first we divide this polynomial by 3x square plus 4x plus 1 and then compare the remainder with ax plus b. Then we will get a and b. Okay, so first of all you just divide 6x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 17x square 21x and 7. That is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Now you have to multiply by 3 2s are 2 or x square. The 3 2s are 6x raised to 4 plus 2 4s are 8x cube plus 2x square minus minus minus. So that is 0 0 17 minus 2 15x square. Now 2 terms are 0, so we will take here 2 terms 21x plus 7. So you just multiply by 5. X square is same. So we just multiply by 5. So it is 5 3s are 15x square plus 20x. 4 5s are 20 plus 5 minus minus. Will become 0. 21 minus 20 x. 7 minus 5 2. So this is our remainder. Here is the quotient. Then it is given that remainder comes out to be ax plus b. So here ax plus b के साथ remainder को compare करेंगे. Remainder is equal to ax plus b is given, but our remainder is x plus 2 is equal to ax plus b. Now here what is a? Is the coefficient of x. Here is the coefficient of x is 1. Therefore a is equal to 1. What is b here? 2. That is b is equal to 2. That is our answer. Here is a 2-mark question. Very easy. But you have to do it very properly. Okay? Do it. The next sum is find k so that x square plus 2x plus k is factor of 2x raised to 4 plus x cube 14x square plus 5x plus 6. So here it is, whenever this is the factor of this polynomial, so whenever we divide by polynomial by x square plus 2x plus k, the remainder should be 0. And therefore we just divide 2x raised to 4 plus x cube 14x square plus 5x plus 6 is divided by x square plus 2x plus k. Okay, so you have to multiply by 2x square. So it is 2x raised to 4 plus 4x cube plus 2kx square minus minus becomes 0. Here 3x cube यहाँ है -14, माइनस मैंने कॉमन ले लिया, प्लस 2kx²। ऊपर से आएगा नीचे 5x, so you have to multiply by 3x, -3x³ minus 3 2s are 6x² minus 3kx. You have to change the sign here, so it becomes 0, minus plus तो minus, तो अगर इसको मैं अंदर ले लूंगी तो -14, ओके, रिमूव द ब्रैकेट्स, माइनस, अगर यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई करके देखो, -14x² minus 2kx² और ये है +6x² माइनस प्लस माइनस 8x² minus 2kx². Take -x² common, so it is 8 plus 2k. So we write that here. So here it is minus 8 plus 2kx², 5 plus 3k, प्लस है साइन चेंज की हुई, तो दैट इज 5 plus 3kx, और ऊपर से नीचे आएगा +6. So we have to multiply -8 plus 2k here. So therefore -8 plus 2kx² plus minus minus, here again, here is you multiply this, so 8 2s are 16 plus 4k into x, plus minus minus 8 plus 2k into k. You have to change the sign, so you carefully multiply this bracket with n here, right? So it is 0, plus है plus है, so 5 plus 16 that is 21 plus 4k plus 3k that is 7kx plus plus, so plus 8 plus here we can write 6 plus 8k plus 2k². That is our remainder now. Here is the x² and here is the x, so no one can multiply by anything, so that is remainder. Now what is it? It is the factor, is given that factor. So factor जब होता है तो remainder should be 0. So now we will take, what is our remainder? That is 21 plus 7kx plus 6 plus 8k plus 2k² is equal to 0. अगर फैक्टर है तो if we divide by polynomial by any factor, then the remainder should be 0. So we take this remainder 0. x 0 नहीं है तो क्या 0 होगा? Whether it is 0 और ये 0 होगा. So that is 21 plus 7k equal to 0 and 6 plus 8k plus 2k² 0. तो 7k is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? -21. So k is equal to -3. Right? Here आप रख के देखो, अगर k equal to -3 रखने से यहाँ पे equal to 0 आ जाता है, then it is the right answer. So here 6 plus 8 into -3, 2 into -3² is equal to 6 minus 24 plus 18. 18 plus 6, 24 minus 24, 0. Therefore, k is equal to -3 is our answer. So whenever it is a factor, we'll take the remainder 0 and find the value of k. Right? Do it. Here is the given next sum. Zeros of this polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial, right? It is cubic polynomial. उनके zeros given a minus b, a and a plus b, and you have to find the value of a and b. So first of all, cubic polynomial के relation between the zeros and its coefficient को याद करो. So here is the three zeros are given. That is alpha is a minus b, beta a and gamma a plus b. Now you know that sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, क्या होगा? Sum of the zeros is equal to what? Keep in mind what is the formula? That is minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. That is our formula that we know. Now here is the alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha is a minus b plus beta is a plus gamma is a plus b is equal to minus coefficient of x square is minus 3 upon coefficient of x cube is 1. Therefore here minus b plus b cancelled. A plus a becomes 3a is equal to 3. You will get a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 है अगर. Now you will find the product of the zeros. b find करने के लिए हम product लेंगे. Product of zeros is equal to alpha beta gamma is equal to. Now remember the formula. What is the formula? It is, yes, remember, that is minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube, and therefore alpha is a minus b, beta is a and gamma is a plus b is equal to minus constant term is 1 upon coefficient of x cube is again 1. So you now multiply here, that is a plus b and a minus b is what? A square minus b square into a is equal to minus 1. But a is 1. So we will write the value of a here is equal to minus 1. So what is it? 1 minus b square is minus 1. So b square इधर जाएगा. That is b is equal to what? B square is equal to 1 plus 1 2. So b is equal to plus or minus root 2. Here is also a 2-mark question. Whenever a minus b, a and a plus b is given, keep in mind a minus b, a and a plus b are called in arithmetic progression. कभी-कभी ऐसे वर्ड यूज होते हैं, that is a minus b. Here the zeros of this polynomial are in arithmetic progression. ऐसा दिया है, then also you have to take the zeros of the polynomial are a minus b, a and a plus b. Directly दे दिया है, तो we'll write like this. अगर ऐसा दिया है that zeros of the polynomial are in arithmetic progression, then also you have to take a minus b, a and a plus b are the zeros of the polynomial. Then sum of the zeros and product of the zeros की formula को use करके आप a and b की value find कर सकते हो. That is the method. Now, here, note. Once we have written, if alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial, then बोलो वो क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल क्या होगा? दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, राइट? दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा. दैट इज द क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल, राइट? नाउ वी गो अहेड. दैट इज इफ अल्फा बीटा and gamma are zeros of quadratic polynomial. Oh, sorry. It is 3 zeros are there. So it is cubic polynomial. These are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Then find the cubic polynomial. अगर आपको ऐसे find करना है, then how to find it? That cubic polynomial is equal to, you just write the formula that here p of x is equal to x square minus, here is the 2 zeros, so we'll take the sum of the 2 zeros. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma x plus alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha. Here is the x cube because it is cubic polynomial. X square. Here is x and minus alpha beta gamma are the constant term. X cube because cubic polynomial है, you will start from x cube minus sum of the polynomial zeros. Here is the product of the sum of the zeros and here is the product. This is called the cubic polynomial. So हमें ये formula हमने quadratic के लिए use की थी. Now we will use this formula for to find the cubic polynomial. One more question में अगर ऐसे आता है, that is, for example, find the cubic polynomial with sum of product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and product of its zeros are 2, minus 7 and minus 40. Okay, so here is the cubic polynomial. You want to find sum of the zeros, 2, sum of the product of its zeros like this is minus 7 and product of zeros is minus 40. So we will write first sum, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2. Sum of the product of the zeros, that is alpha gamma, is minus 7 and product of the zeros alpha, beta and gamma is minus 40. This three thing is given. Now you want to find the cubic polynomial. So what? You have to use this formula. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We'll write the values of the alpha plus beta plus gamma. Therefore, p of x equal to x cube, alpha plus beta plus gamma x square, alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha x, alpha beta gamma. This is our formula to write to find the cubic polynomial. So here is the alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2. So minus 2x square. यहाँ पे हमने 2 वैल्यू रखी प्लस अल्फा बीटा बीटा gamma and gamma alpha is minus 7x and product is minus 40. So our polynomial will be 2x square minus 7x plus 14. This is our cubic polynomial. So this formula you have to write for the cubic polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Here is the end of the session. Now, most type of the sum we have done. I will give you some sums in the homework and in the weekend revision. I will give you the weekend revision, that is called weekend assignment. In that we'll cover whole type of the sums. You have to do it in the Saturday, Sunday and submit it on the Monday, right? Then I will take some another chapter. Okay, thank you.